There's Fancy Pants and her baby. Fancy's gonna put herself in her stall. They've been out in the field having fun and eating, and the baby's playing together. Fancy knows where her stall is, so she's gonna go right on in and get in her stall. Herself up. Handy horse. Handy horse puts herself right up in the stall. And there's Toby and little Luke coming.